Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually planning to buy tablets and iPads during Holi Sale. So people are asking me various questions regarding tablets. One of the users have been watching my videos for a longer period of time and he is asking that the price that I tell in my videos about the deal of tablets do not match the price during sale. Look, I always try to tell you the best price of each and every tablet, and those tablets were actually sold at that price in the earlier sale. But sometimes it happens that you do not get the best price because the sellers do not decrease the price of those tablets or iPads due to high demand, as a result of which people don't get their desired tablet at the best price. And if I do not tell you the best price, you will end up buying a tablet at a higher price point. For example, iPad 11th generation had been sold at a price point of 28,000 rupees in one of the sales. So if I don't tell you about the best price of iPad 11th generation, you may end up buying it at a price point of 30,000 or above. So any one of you is planning to buy any tablet, you must wait for the best price and the best sale. But if you have urgency, in that case, I have nothing to do. You can buy your tablet at a higher price tag. Similarly, the best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE is around 29,000 rupees. On the other hand, the best price for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus is around 23 to 25,000 rupees maximum. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, in that case the best price for this tablet is 33,000 rupees maximum, and the best discount that you will get on this tablet is from Amazon.in. But currently the price of this tablet is on the higher side, so you should not buy this tablet right now. Rather, you should wait for the right offers to come. Another user is planning to buy Oneplus Pad Lite and he is asking me whether there is any problem of video playback in youtube.com, because he had seen in one of the reviews videos of other channel that YouTube videos are not playing well on Oneplus Pad Lite and videos are stuttering and lagging while playing videos on Oneplus Pad Lite. There is no such problem in my unit. I had no issue with the playback. The problem might be with the particular unit that the reviewer had bought. So you can definitely buy Oneplus Pad Lite if you are looking to buy a tablet under the price point of 15,000 rupees, but buy the 8GB variant to have the best user experience. So in the conclusion, it might be said that don't buy any tablet or iPad at a higher price point, because after few days you will repent. So wait for the right offers to come. I will let you know about the best offers on tablets and iPads, so keep subscribed with the notification bell on. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.